Welcome back to Kuki Decor, your go-to channel for fresh and eco-stylish home decor inspiration. If you're passionate about sustainability and love seeing old wood turn into timeless pieces of art, you're in the right place. In today's video, we are diving into stunning upcycled wood decor ideas that can transform your modern home, from rustic wall hangings to creative furniture revamps and everything in between. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a fresh idea from Kuki Decor. In a world where sustainability and style increasingly go hand in hand, upcycling old wood has become one of the most elegant and eco-conscious ways to elevate modern home decor. Old wood isn't just a discarded material, it's a treasure trove of natural character, history, and charm waiting to be reimagined. Whether it's weathered barn boards, shipping pallets, salvaged flooring, or tree stumps with stories to tell, old wood can be turned into stunning decorative and functional pieces that suit every corner of your modern home. In today's journey through creativity and craftsmanship, we'll explore a wide range of inspiring upcycled wood decor ideas, all with that perfect balance of rustic warmth and modern simplicity. So get ready to fall in love with wood all over again, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor for more innovative and sustainable home ideas. Let's begin with one of the boldest and most breathtaking transformations, the reclaimed wood accent wall. By salvaging old planks, floorboards, or fencing, you can create a wall feature that speaks volumes without saying a word. Whether you design a minimalist layout with clean lines or opt for a raw, distressed finish that celebrates the wood's imperfections, this statement wall brings instant depth and cozy texture to living rooms, bedrooms, or hallways. A touch of matte sealant can help enhance the natural grain without making it too shiny, preserving its organic look. If you're looking for something more subtle yet highly functional, then rustic floating shelves made from reclaimed wood might be your answer. These shelves work beautifully in kitchens to hold spice jars and dishware, in bathrooms for rolled towels and candles, or in living spaces for books and curated decor pieces. By using thick slabs of old wood, even leftovers from construction or demolition, and sanding just enough to smooth out roughness while preserving character, you can make practical shelving that still tells a visual story. Try pairing them with black or gold brackets for a modern industrial edge, or go bracket-free for a clean, minimalist look. Now, imagine lighting that not only illuminates, but also warms the soul. Enter upcycled pallet wood light fixtures. Pallets are often discarded, but their potential is vast. Cut, stained, and shaped, pallet slats can become the base for creative pendant lights, sconces, or rustic chandeliers. Add vintage Edison bulbs, woven wire cages, or copper piping for a modern twist. These light fixtures offer more than just illumination. They cast an aura of sustainable sophistication across your space. Old beams are another underrated resource when it comes to upcycling. Thick, solid beams from barns, old factories, or even demolished homes can be converted into stunning benches, side tables, or coffee tables. Keep their rugged texture. Simply seal the wood and attach minimalist metal or hairpin legs for a stunning fusion of rustic and modern. These pieces are not only eye-catching, but also built to last, each one carrying decades of life in its grain. If you love smaller DIY projects that still pack a punch, consider crafting mirror frames or picture frames from old molding, shutters, or furniture pieces. These are perfect for entryways, bedrooms, and gallery walls. The frames can be whitewashed, stained dark, or left completely natural depending on the look you're going for. Some of the most beautiful frames are made from window frames with flaking paint or distressed barn wood. They immediately add vintage charm and personality to any wall. Feeling inspired yet? Person raising both hands in celebration. If you're enjoying these ideas and love the thought of transforming something old into something truly unique, don't forget to hit that like button and let us know in the comments. Which of these upcycled wood projects would you try in your own home? Your interaction not only supports the channel, but helps others discover creative and sustainable living too. Now let's head into one of the most stylish and practical categories: kitchen and dining accessories made from reclaimed wood. Think handcrafted serving trays, cutting boards, and charcuterie platters made from leftover floorboards or cabinet scraps. With a bit of sanding and food-safe oil, these pieces become usable works of art, perfect for hosting guests or simply enjoying your own culinary creations. They are easy to make, endlessly customizable, and far more meaningful than mass-produced alternatives. Next on the list are wall art and decorative panels. Artists and hobbyists alike are using reclaimed wood to build geometric art pieces, abstract panels, and nature-inspired designs like mountains or trees. The contrast of different tones of wood, dark walnut next to pale pine, or warm oak beside grey weathered cedar, can result in pieces that feel modern but rooted in the natural world. Hang them above a couch or bed, or use them as statement pieces in entryways or home offices. Speaking of greenery, what better way to blend nature with decor than by building upcycled indoor planters and vertical wall gardens? Old crates, pallets, and planks can easily be turned into stunning plant displays. Imagine a vertical garden made of staggered pallet boards, each holding a mason jar or ceramic pot, perfect for herbs, succulents, or cascading ivy. It's a simple, beautiful way to add greenery and texture to any blank wall. In bedrooms, reclaimed wood can become the focal point by using it to create headboards. Whether you use one solid door, old wood panels, or a collection of varied slats, a reclaimed wood headboard adds warmth and character to any modern bed setup. You can leave the wood bare for an earthy, natural look or paint it in soft neutrals for a farmhouse meets modern aesthetic. Other favorite: sliding barn doors made from upcycled wood. With the right hardware, even the most beat-up door can become a stylish space saver. Whether you're using it to divide a living space, conceal a laundry area, or simply add architectural interest, this trend is a beautiful way to preserve old wood while upgrading your interior. And let's not forget about storage solutions. From crates turned into stackable shelving units to drawers made from old cabinet fronts, using reclaimed wood for storage offers charm and creativity in one. Try building underbed drawers from old shipping boxes, or a custom coat rack using a salvaged fence board and vintage knobs. What makes upcycled wood so magical is not just its visual appeal, but its ability to connect us to the past while helping to shape a more sustainable future. Each crack, knot, and grain mark tells a story, one that continues in your home. And beyond aesthetics, the environmental impact is powerful. Every board reused is one less tree cut, one less piece of waste sent to a landfill, and one more step toward conscious living. So whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting your decor journey, remember this: you don't need brand new materials to create a brand new look. What you need is imagination, intention, and a respect for the natural materials we already have at our fingertips. Before we wrap up, here's your gentle reminder: if you've been enjoying this kind of thoughtful, creative, and eco-conscious content, we'd love to have you as part of the Kuki Decor community. Green heart, so please, subscribe to our channel, tap the notification bell, and share this video with fellow design lovers who believe in giving old wood new life. We share weekly content that helps you decorate with purpose, beauty, and sustainability at heart. Thank you so much for joining us today. Until next time, keep upcycling, keep creating, and keep turning yesterday's scraps into tomorrow's treasures.